Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a kombucha hotel. First, understand that a SCOBY hotel is a safe place to store your extra SCOBY and starter tea. This ensures you always have a backup for future brewing. You'll need a clean glass jar, several healthy SCOBY, and some strong starter tea to begin this process. To set up your hotel, choose a clean, wide-mouthed glass jar, ideally 1 gallon or larger. It's crucial to sanitize everything thoroughly to prevent contamination. Once clean, gently place your healthy SCOBY into the jar. Then, pour in at least 2 cups of strong, mature kombucha starter tea, ensuring the SCOBY are fully submerged. Your SCOBY hotel needs occasional feeding to stay vibrant. Every month or so, add about 1 cup of freshly brewed, cooled sweet tea. Keep the hotel in a stable environment, ideally around 75 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Always check for any signs of mold or off-putting smells, which could indicate contamination. For long-term storage, place your kombucha hotel in a cool, dark pantry or cabinet. When you're ready to brew again, take a SCOBY from the hotel and give it some fresh starter tea to revive it. Remember, a healthy hotel means endless kombucha. Also, be sure to check the description below for some great deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.